1. I want to show you a problem with the bank download of transactions. The bank downloads transactions to your QuickBooks every evening, about 3 in the morning, I suppose. And those are the deposits and withdrawals. It sends along some data to it. Let's take a look here. I'm in the sample company because it already has data populated. So I'm going to look at banking and then banking. In the checking account, it shows that I have a $55 income, it's a received, and $200. Actually, these are deposits. It doesn't know if it's income, it assumes it is. Let's use those to play with. So the first thing I'm going to do is accept these the correct way. And I'm going to go to sales receipt, and I'm going to create a sales receipt for this. Books by Bessie. I happen to know that the date on this was, and we can select any product. I'm just going to use concrete. Again, this is a sample client, taxable, $55. At this point, I am going to save and close. You'll notice that now this $55 has a little green icon on it that says, hey, I have found a sales receipt previously recorded that matches. This makes sense. The sales receipt would have been created when the transaction occurred or as soon as you identify it. You can drill down and see what has happened here, and now we can match it. When we go to sales, and we look up Books by Bessie, you can see that the $55 shows up on the Books by Bessie account. It also properly shows up in all the reporting. The other way that you could do this, banking, here's our $200. We're also going to put this to Books by Bessie, the customer. And we will make it design income. Sorry for the delay. So this is correctly posted, or will be. We're just going to add it from here, and it accepts it. However, if we go back up to sales and we look at our customers again, and once again we look at Books by Bessie, you will notice it doesn't appear here. Even though the deposit was created, that's what happens is a deposit slip is created. It bypasses the customer donor records in this case. It will show up on some reports, but not others. The moral of this story is that you always want to create a sales receipt and then match. Do not accept directly from the bank feed. Thank you so much.